Good afternoon, everybody. Last class we have discussed about the constructional features of vernier caliper. Constructional features of vernier caliper. In that we have seen that what is vernier caliper, why we called as vernier caliper, and also this what are the major parts of vernier caliper that we have discussed in that. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the graduation and the least count of vernier caliper of different vernier caliper. Graduation and a least count of vernier caliper. This vernier caliper is very important in industries to take the measurement and other things. Today's modern worlds, technology developing, and also this we have to upgrade ourselves knowledge and skill as well as. Now in this vernier caliper mainly used for measure the external diameter, that means outside diameter of dimension, internal dimension, and a depth measurements. The three type of measurements we can take by using the single measurements. Whereas other things, micrometer, other things is only we can take inside measurement means you can use separate inside micrometer. Outside means you can use separate outside micrometer. Other thing here by using vernier caliper we can take three kinds of measurements: outside diameter, inside diameter, and a depth measurement. In this today, in the vernier caliper we have seen that what are the major parts: fixed jaw, movable jaw, beam, vernier slide, locking screw, thumb lever, and the depth bar. In that vernier caliper, how the graduations is marked in the beam, how the least count arose. Like that, in this class we are going to discuss about in detail. So what is the vernier caliper? In this industries, there are different types of vernier caliper, different accuracy of vernier caliper is available. Different accuracy of vernier caliper is available. Especially accuracy, olden days they used only 0.1 mm accuracy. Now technology updated. We are using now latest equipment also. Latest equipments. Oh. Latest equipments. Previously it was in the 0.1 accuracy only they used. Later now 0.01 mm accuracy. Then thereafter 0.02 mm, 0.02 mm, and 0.05 mm accuracy also available. There are different accuracy of vernier caliper they are using. In that each and every accuracy, we are going to discuss about how the graduation marked in the main scale, especially in the main scale, and also the vernier scale. How least count has come. Least count means least count. In that we will discuss one by one. The selection of vernier caliper mainly depends upon the accuracy. The first thing is selection of vernier caliper mainly depends upon the accuracy and the size of job to be measured. Size of job to be measured. So okay, what is meant by least count? Least count. Least count means the difference between one main scale division and the one vernier scale division is called as least count. The least count means the difference between one main scale division and the one vernier scale division is known as least count. I go PPT which is prepared by using Google Standards. If there is any language error in Hindi version, please I will take apology. because I don't know that much knowledge about the Hindi version. So I have both English as well as Hindi version of PPT also. I thought I know very well most of the trainees from knows Hindi very well. That's why I prepared PPT Hindi as well as Hindi. If there is any mistakes in this Hindi version of PPT, please excuse. Please excuse me. Okay. Okay. The least count means it is the difference between the value of one main scale division and the one main scale division is called as least count. Least count, or we can say that Vernier constant. In that, the least count of Vernier caliper mainly we can say that what is the minimum measurement, what is the least value we can take from the Vernier caliper. That also we can say that the least value, that is the least count of Vernier caliper, is smallest value that we can take from that instrument, that we can say that least count. Smallest value, for example 0.1 mm, 0.01 mm, 0.001 mm, like that, 0.02 mm, like that. The smallest value what we are going to take, that we can say that least count. Least count. So in order to calculate the least count, we must know this. What is the? We must calculate the least count. Vernier caliper. What is the graduation mark? How the graduation marked in the main scale division of Vernier caliper? How the graduation marked in the Vernier scale division? How much value of main scale division they were taken in that? How much they were divided? How many equal parts divided in the Vernier scale division? Based on that, we will get the least count. For example, main scale division, it is attached to this fixed jaw. There is having a main scale beam. In that, there is a graduations marked. There are both type of graduations marked. One is English metric system. Another one is British system. Today we are going to discuss about the only metric system of accuracies that we are going to discuss. Okay. So in order to find out the least count, we must know the how the graduation marked in the main scale division. That is a beam, and also the Vernier scale divisions. So based on that, based on that, we will take that. We can get the least count. We can get the least counts. Now, to calculate the least count, first we have to know these main scale division, how many main scale division they have taken, then how many parts divided in the Vernier scale division. How many divisions have they taken? The same value they were divided into Vernier scale division. That we have to discuss. Graduation. The graduation and the accuracy determined by the graduation marked in the Vernier scale division as well as main scale divisions. For reading that Vernier scale, the least count could first reading this least count first determine this first. Determine the first. Sometimes in the Vernier caliper also, their least count was marked on it in Vernier slide. Some Vernier caliper it is marked. If it is not marked also, no problem. I will give you the how to calculate the least count. No problem. In that, first we will see the main scale division. What is main scale division? There is a metric value graduation as per the BAS ISI. They were marked in the equal distance according to length of the Vernier caliper graduation is marked. That we can say that main scale division. Here we can say that one main scale division's value is, we can say that 1 mm. One main scale division is, the main scale division is marked according to the, based on the length of the vernier. Throughout the length, the main scale divisions are marked on this, throughout the length of the vernier caliper. Now we can okay. Now the graduation, how it is. Now first we are going to discuss about the graduation. Now you can see this in this diagram, how this graduation. First we are going to see this diagram. There is a beam, main scale. The upper may they have marked the centimeter and metric value. The one main scale division value is 1 mm. One main scale division is value is 1 mm. 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. According to length, there is a according to length of vernier caliper, graduations are marked on this. Now the first basic vernier caliper, sorry, there is a typing error, graduation on. Please excuse, there is a typing error. Okay, the first previously the olden days they used the first beginning vernier caliper is 0.1 mm accuracy. Later technology updated, later they increased the technology upgraded. Based on the upgradation, they have gone, instruments are invented different accuracy. Even now they up to 1 micron accuracy also the industry has been developed. The main scale, you can see that one main scale division value is 1 mm. One main scale division is value is 1 mm. One main scale division. So now 0 to 1 mm with 1 centimeter means how much? There is a 10 mm. Nothing but it is a 10 mm. Now in this figure, what do you understand that 0 to 1 mm, 1, 2, 3, there is a centimeter. Up to that marked is the centimeter. And the graduation, how it is marked? Up to this millimeter line, it will be prescribable length, height. There are 5th division will be the little bit longer. There are the 10th division will be the higher than that 5th division. Now upper wala you can see the graduations are millimeter, main scales are marked in this particular prescribed length, prescribed width, and height also. It is the as per the BIS and also IVS standard form they have marked on this. Okay. Now we can this each main scale division value is 1 mm. Each main scale division is value is 1 mm. Now how the graduation marked in the 0.1 mm accuracy of vernier caliper, how 0.1 mm accuracy is going to arise, that we are going to discuss. Now you look at this diagram, graduation marked on this. Graduation will be from the 0 to up to length of vernier caliper, graduation are marked. In that one main scale division is value is 1 mm. The bottom side you can see the vernier scale, vernier slide. Vernier slide. There you can see that vernier graduations also marked on this. Now in this vernier caliper, they have taken the 9 main scale division. 9 main scale division. That is nothing but it is a 9 mm. They are divided into 10 equal parts in the vernier scale. 9 main scale division. They have taken that. In that they have divided the same distance. They divided in the 10 equal parts in the vernier scale division. I'll show you another one example. You can see this. They have taken the 9 main scale division. They divided into 9 mm. That is a 9 mm. They 9 main scale division. They divided in the vernier scale in the 10 equal parts. So therefore, one main scale division value we know already that is 1 mm. But we don't know the value of one vernier scale division. Vernier scale division. Therefore, now you can see this is another PPT. I will explain in detail. Look at this. In this vernier caliper shown in the figure above diagram, one mean scale division value is 1 mm. Some people are sending me, just a minute. Okay, one main scale division value is 1 mm. They have taken the 9 main scale division, that is 9 mm. They are divided into 10 equal parts in the vernier scale. So, therefore, one main scale division value is 1 mm. One vernier scale division values, that is 9 by 10 mm. 9 by 10. We don't know the value of one vernier scale. So 9 by 10, if you divide it, you can get this value of 0.9. 0.9 mm. That means 0.9 mm. Now we can get this value, one main scale division 1 mm, one vernier scale division value is 0.9 mm. What is my least count? The least count is the difference between the one main scale division and one vernier scale division. Least count is the difference between the one main scale division and one vernier scale division. If you divide, one main scale division value is 1 mm, one vernier scale division 9 by 10, that is nothing but it is 0.9. If you can get this 0.1 mm of accuracy, 0.1 mm. So the difference between the one main scale division and one vernier scale division is 0.1 mm. That is the least count. The difference between the one main scale division and one vernier scale division is 0.1 mm. Now you can see this figure. What is the difference? If you zoom it, you can see that there is a. You can see that in that you can see that one main scale division they marked 1 mm. Down you can see the 0.9. How the 0.9 it has come? Because they have taken the 9 main scale division, they divided into these 10 equal parts in the vernier scale division. So if you divide 9 by 10, one vernier scale division value equal to, if you divide 9 by 10, that is equal to 0.9 mm. Now the least count, what is the formula generally? Least count means one difference between the one main scale division and one vernier scale division. So now you can get this 0.1 mm, that is accuracy. By using this vernier caliper, how we can take the measurements? Now you can see that we will here also. What do you understand from this? Understand? Just a minute.
लिस्ट काउंट कितना होगा सर?
This least count. Now you can look at this figure diagram figure, how the measurement. It will not be in the same position 0 to, it will be like that. Wherever you are taking the same equal distance, that means that 9 main scale division, they are divided into the 10 vernier scale division. They are divided in 10 equal parts in vernier scale division. That is this. So if you cone shade from the close position also, you will get the same, because they will be slide on movable jaw slide over on the fixed jaw. It will be like this. Now, by using the 0.1 mm of accuracy of vernier caliper, how we can take the measurements? How we can take the measurements? Now, so far we have discussed how the graduation marked in the 0.1 mm accuracy of vernier caliper. Like that we have seen what is the least count of vernier caliper. By using the same vernier caliper, how we can take the measurements? Now you see this in the diagram. Now see this first in the upper side, the upper wala there is a main scale, down wala there is a vernier scale. Upper wala main scale में, down wala vernier scale divisions. Now you see this where the vernier scale 0, it is. Now you can look at this figure. There is a 4 centimeter. That is nothing but is 40 mm. 40 mm. Now 41, 42, 43. In between that 43 and 44, there will be 0 starts. Vernier scale 0 start. Now after that 43 main scale division, the vernier scale 0 start. Now you can take the 43 main scale division. That is equal to 43 mm. That is equal to 43 mm. Now, another the next stage, you have to see that which line of vernier scale division which is coincide with the main scale division in the straight line. That is very, very important. Which line of vernier scale division, which division of vernier scale division which is coincide with the main scale division in the straight line. There should not be any difference. Lightly thought 9. It should be perfect in the straight line. If you see that, now you can see this vernier scale division. There is the 50 division of which is coincide with the main scale division. Already we have discussed that the least count is the difference between the one main scale division and vernier scale division. That is 0.1 mm. Now there is a 50 division which is coincide with the main scale division. Now you can get this value. What is the value? That means we have. Now I'll tell you. Now what is the value? You can say that. So 50 division of vernier scale division, that is 5 into 0.1 mm, that is equal to 0.5 mm. The actually total reading is 43.5 mm. 43.5 mm. Now, the same by using the same type of vernier caliper, what is the reading? There is a reading of vernier caliper that is 0.1 mm accuracy. What is the reading? You can look at this. Now, already I told you that where the main scale vernier scale 0 lies in between the line. For example, after the third main scale division, there is a vernier scale 0. It is there. Between this third and fourth main scale division, vernier scale 0 line starts. Now after that, now you can say that first you take the 3 main scale division. That is a 3 mm. You have to take the vernier scale division. There is 6th division of vernier scale division which is coincide with the main scale division. That means what is the, already told you, least count equal to 0.1 mm. The 6 into 0.1, that is a 0.6. So now actually this value is 3.6 mm. 3.6 mm. Actually this value is 3.6 mm. So the firstly read the main scale division which is the left of the 0 of vernier scale in the main scale reading. Read the main scale division which is the left of 0 of vernier scale is the main scale reading. Thereafter look up the number of division of vernier scale which is exactly coincide with the any one of main scale reading, main scale division. So one main scale division equal to 1 mm. Number of main scale division, that is equal to 3 into 1 mm, 3 division. Now you can see that where the 0 started, sorry, where it is 3. After the 3, the main vernier scale 0, reading starts, vernier scale reading 0, vernier scale. Now the number of main scale division to 3 into 1 mm, that is 3 mm. Vernier scale division coincide with the main scale division, that is a 6. That 6 means 6 into 0.1 mm, you can get the 0.6. The total reading you can add on that, you can get this 3.6 mm. Okay, now you have any doubt?
ದಿನ ಬಿಟ್ಟದಕ್ಕೆ
Doubt?
Vernier cut is not unusual.
इतना करो
Yes, sir.
प्लीज गिर जाएगा क्लिक कर तो आप प्लीज जॉइन हो इन नेटवर्क की थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आते रहे
Twice start हो जाओ.
I have muted all the participants.
Okay, now already the vernier calipers are available in different accuracies. Now so far we have discussed about this 0.1 mm accuracy of vernier caliper. How the graduations are marked, how the least count has come. Now next one is another, we are going to discuss about the 0.02 mm. 0.02 mm. In that 0.02 mm of how the 0.02 mm accuracy or least count is arise. Now in the Hindi PPT also available, you can see that the graduation is a common type of vernier caliper. In the main scale division, there is no change in that. No change is the same, just like that. The main scale division which is marked in the beam throughout the length of the vernier caliper, each main scale division value is 1 mm only. Each main scale division value is 1 mm only. In here, look at this figure, the diagram. Correct. In that, each main scale division value is 1 mm. Each main scale division value is 1 mm. In that 0.02 accuracy, that means 0.02 least come, how it has come, that we are going to discuss. Here also, the main scale division which is marked on the throughout the length of the vernier caliper, one main scale division value is 1 mm. In this, they have taken the 49 main scale division. Main scale division, they divided into the 50 equal parts in the vernier scale division. 49 main scale division, they divided into 50 equal parts in the vernier scale division. This vernier caliper 49 main scale, they divided into 50 equal parts. First we will see this. So एक main scale division value में 1 mm. We don't know the, here I told you in that 49 main scale division, that is a 49 mm distance. They are divided into 50 equal parts in the vernier scale division. They divided into 50 equal parts in the vernier scale division. Okay. So one main scale division value 1 mm. We don't know the value of one vernier scale. So therefore one vernier scale division equal to 49 by 50. That means 14 mm distance, they are divided 50. If you divide it, you can get the 0.98 mm. 0.98 mm. Now we got this vernier scale division value also, that is a 0.98 mm. What is my least count? The least count is the difference between the one main scale division and one vernier scale division. One main scale division value we know already that is 1 mm. One vernier scale division value that is 0.98 mm. If you minus from that 1 mm, you can get this value of 0.02 mm. That is the least count of this vernier caliper. Here, the difference between the one main scale division and the vernier scale division is 0.02 mm. That is 20 micron. 0.02 mm. Now you look at this diagram, you can get this. They have taken the 49, that is a 49 mm. They divided in the 50 equal parts. 50 equal parts. The same Kannada, Kaya, Hindi. Okay. Now by using this vernier caliper, how we can go take the measurements? Here also same principle which is applies in the previous view what we have discussed. Now you look at here in this diagram where the vernier scale division 0 starts. 0 where it is the vernier scale division 0, and which line of vernier scale division which is coincide with the main scale division. Both things you have to see that. Now you can see that here already there is the 35th division. The vernier scale division 0 is 30 lines is which is line is in between the 35th and 36th division. Now you have to think after the 35th division of main scale division, the vernier scale division is 0 starts. 0 line is there. After the 35th division of main scale division, the vernier scale division 0 begins. Now you have to take the 35th means you have to take the 35 main scale division, that is equal to 35 mm. 35 mm. Thereafter, now you can see this where the which line of vernier scale division which is coincide with the main scale division. Here you can see that there are 20th division of vernier scale division which is coincide with the main scale division. It is in the same line. It should not be any. There should not be any deviation. It should be in the same line. If you see that already we know the least count. The difference between the one main scale division and vernier scale division, that is 0.02 mm. Now the 35th after the 35th of main scale division, the vernier scale 0 starts. The 20th division of vernier scale division which is coincide with the main scale division. Now you see this. Now what is the reading? What is the, now you see the vernier scale division 0, it is begins after the 35th main scale division, that is equal to 35 main scale division, that is equal to 35 mm. The vernier division which is coincide with the main scale is the 20th division. 20th division. Vernier scale division, the difference between one main scale division and a vernier scale division, that is 0.03 mm. Now in this the 20th division of vernier scale division which is coincide with the main scale division. Therefore 20 into 0.02 mm, you can get the 0.40 mm, that is a 0.4 mm. You have to add the total, for get the total value you have to add on that main scale reading and the vernier scale. If you add this, that is the actual measurement of the job. Okay, the total reading is 35.4 mm. 35.4 mm. You understand?
इन चारों और वो भी आ जाएंगे साथ साथ बैठ के।
Doubt?
तो मैं कर्मा जी भी हैं वहाँ, और जो मंदिर बंदे हैं, कई सारे बंदे हैं यार। बंदे तो गाड़ी आ सकती है काशीपुर के लिए, मैं अकेला थोड़ी उधर।
बातें कम करो भाई,
Doubt in
मैसेज पर मैसेज किए जा रहे हो।
तो मैंने तो बोला गाड़ी के लिए इंजीनियर से
किसी ने किया है
जो जल्दी होनी तो भैया गाड़ी
मैसेज मैसेज
doubt in list count and
बाकी मुझे अपनी मोटरसाइकिल जो है सीज में करानी है।
रेटिंग 3.4 mm
पतला तो
कैसे
पतला,
आई?
इतना पतला है बोट से जो मतलब इतना कमांगा ना, इतना
लगाया है यार।
अपना आगे पीछे का
yeah, any doubt you can ask.
मैंने मना थोड़ी करा, मना नहीं कर रहे आने के लिए। भाई हमारी जो है शिक्षा भी तो होनी चाहिए। विश्वकर्मा जी ने तो तुम्हारे विश्वकर्मा जी ने फोन करा तो हमें
चलवेदाब से कुछ ना बोले
Now see this in this. You can also see the in this Hindi में class चर्चा पर सभी problem नहीं हुई. Sorry to say that I don't know that much of now. I don't know Hindi. Okay. Now you can see that another example. The reading is where the main scale division starts. Sorry. If you not visible the drawing, kindly zoom it and see the where the Venn scale division, zero line it begins, and which line is coincide with the which line of Venn scale division which is coincide with the main scale division. Kindly zoom it and see the diagram. Now, if you look at this this diagram, the main scale division already it is there. Where the Venn scale division 0 which starts. Where the Venn scale division of 0 starts. In this diagram, after the 19th main scale division, the Venn scale division 0 starts. That means after the 19 main scale division, 19 main scale division, Venn scale division starts. And which now first you have to see that where the Venn scale division 0. In this diagram, if you see that the Venn scale division 0 is which is lies between the 19th main scale division and 20th main scale division. That you order after the 19th main scale division, you take the 19th main scale division. Ek main scale division, that is one main scale division value is 1 mm. That is equal to 19 mm. Thereafter, next you could see the which line of Venn scale division which is coincide with the main scale division. Which is coincide with the main scale division. That means here this 32th division, 32nd, the 32nd division of Venn scale division which is coincide with the main scale division. So one difference may in the list one 0.02 mm. That means the 32 into 0.02, if you multiply, you can get this 0.64 mm. Now, if you want to get the total reading, you have to add on that main scale division and vernier scale division. Main scale division में 19, vernier scale division 0.64. The total reading is 19.64 mm. Okay, I'll see the another example. In this, here also another diagram. What is the reading? The same principle which is applied to the all this while taking the measurements. You can see that where the main vernier scale division 0 which is not, which line of vernier scale division which is coincident with the main scale division. There are after 13 main scale division, the vernier scale division 0 begins. That means 13 main scale division. The 21 division of vernier, 21st division of vernier scale division which is coincident with the main scale division. One vernier scale difference is least count is 0.02 mm. 21 into 0.02, that is 0.42. The total value is 13.42 mm. Any doubt in that? Any doubt?
ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਗੁਰਜੋਤ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਤੇਰੇ
Any doubt?
दुनिया का कोई ना पिटिया
ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਜਰੂਬ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਤੇਰੇ ਪਟਵਾਰੀਆ
ਵਧੀਆ ਲੈਣੇ ਯਾਰੇ
ਸਾਲਾ ਸਿਆਪਾ ਕੀ ਆ ਚੱਕਰ ਜਾ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਯਾਰ ਉਹ ਪਰ ਵਿੱਚੇ ਕੁਛ
अरे भाई शांत हो जाओ भाई।
another language,
मैं पागल थोड़े ही हूँ।
देखो तमिल का पता है, तमिल में कैसे लिखा था?
Next. So far we have discussed about the two accuracy of vernier caliper. One is that is 0.1 mm least count of vernier caliper, 0.02 mm. That only we are using regularly in workshop. That accuracy of vernier caliper. Apart from this, there is a 0.01 mm accuracy of vernier caliper also available. The 0.01 mm. If you in that, you can see that in the 0.01 accuracy, there is a there are two type of caliper we can use. One is digital vernier caliper, another dial vernier caliper. What is the advantage between the normal vernier caliper to digital and dial means? It is lines are very First we will discuss with dial. Lines are very clear. There should not be any ambiguity, deviation between this line concept, that line concept. There are no confusion at all. It is a transparent dial will be there. Everything will clearly indicate that we can get the measurement and quickly we can take the reading also. Another only digital vernier caliper also you can see that easily the measurement itself it will reflect on the digital form. You can take the measurement like that. Now first the third accuracy of vernier caliper is dial vernier caliper, that we will discuss. In this dial vernier caliper, normally we are using vernier caliper is sliding principle. That means mobile jaw is sliding over the fixed jaw. The same principle here the dial is amplified. Dial is it is there. Instead of movable jar, it is attached to the dial. The dial is rotated through the rack and pinion mechanism. Dial is rotated rack and pinion mechanism. Rack and pinion mechanism. Rack and pinion mechanism. So in the dial vernier caliper, you can get the accuracy of 0.01 mm. That is a 10 micron. 0.01 mm accuracy. How the 0.01 mm accuracy? In that they have taken the 1 mm. They amplified, magnified into this 100 division. That is 100 division. 1 mm. They will be magnified in that through this rack and pinion gear mechanism. The pointer which is moves one rotation 1 mm. For example, now you can see this 100 lines are reading is equal to 1 mm. 100 lines in the dial which is equal to 1 mm. Already we have discussed previously. We have discussed about the vernier caliper. Now graduation and the least one only we will discuss. The least one equal to 1 rotation. That is 1 main scale division. 1 main scale. If the pointer moves 1 rotation, that is means that is 1 mm. The 1 rotation of main scale, that you can see that in that the 1 rotation of main scale, that is 1 mm. 1 mm. The division moved on the dial is 100. Division moved in the dial is 1 rotation means 100 division in the dial. That equal distance moves in the fixed jar movable. That will you can say that 1 mm. This value formula will be, you can get the least one, because 1 mm that will be divided in that, reflected in that rotation. Because of 1 mm distance, they were divided in the 100. That 1 mm they are doing 100 in the dial. Through the rack and pinion mechanism, they magnified. So the least one, 1 rotation of main scale or number of divisions moved on the dial, that is equal to 1 mm. If you divide, so if you divide, you can get the 0.01 mm accuracy. The same way, there is a 0.02 mm accuracy of dial caliper also available. Even 0.05 mm accuracy also available. 0.02, they have taken the 2 mm distance. They divided into 100, but each division value there will be 0.02 mm. In the dial, each division value is 0.02 mm. Here in these 0.01 mm means each division value is, that is 0.01 mm. That is the least count. If you divide 1 divided by 100, you can get the 0.01 mm. Now, least count will be clear. So, first, if you want to take the reading, now you see this in this diagram, with the 2, there is a 2 centimeter, that is a 20 mm. After that, there is a ridge begins. That means the reading of dial caliper, which is combination of values shown in the main scale, values indicated in the dial. Some people are sending message, just a minute. So now in that you can see that after this 20 mm, the 20 line, it is the same with the ridges, vernier scale. In the dial. By using this, we will how to read the dial caliper. We will see this one by one. The reading of dial caliper is the combination of value of reading of dial caliper, the combination value of main beam scale, the value indicated in the pointer indicates the dial. If you want to read the mill caliper, you can look at this first step. Whenever you're taking the measurements, to take the measurement, you should first read the value of main scale. First, you read the value of main scale. Thereafter, there will be number will be immediately left on that, on the reference edge. Reference edge. So reference edge means here. Here you see the reference edge. Number of lines left over on that reference edge, that is the 20. After the 19. After the 19. Thereafter, you will see in the pointer each division. On the metric dial caliper, you will be in the millimeter. Each scale here in the dial caliper, each division value is 0.01 mm. Next, you read the value of shown in the dial indicator. And the most metric dials, each increment value is 0.01 mm. That is in the main scale may 1 mm. Here each dial may shows 0.01 mm. Now you see this in this diagram. How you can take the what is this? Now after the 15th division, after the 15th the reference edge is after the 50th very close to the 15th edge the reference edge is there. After 15 main scale division, that is a 15 mm. Now you can see in the dial there are 43 divisions. There are 43 divisions. So total reading is 15.43 mm. Another example tell you that instead of sliding vernier scale,
Sir, you have only 3 minutes left, sir.
Sorry?
You have only 3 minutes left.
Not completed, sir. Okay.
I am telling that you have only 3 minutes in your hand, sir. Kindly conclude this chapter.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Here you can see this digital also, digital caliper, the measurements and other thing. While taking a measurements, what are the steps you have to follow? You have to handle the vernier caliper very carefully. This is the correct position of measurements. While handling, it is a wrong method of positioning, wrong position of measuring. This is also wrong. How to use vernier caliper? By using a vernier caliper, you have to clean both the parts. First of all, there should not be remove the burrs from the workpiece. Thereafter, you got to clean by using the soft cloth. You can clean the fixed jaw, movable jaw, sliding over on that. There should not be any burrs on that, and also there should not be any obstructions. Loose the clamping screw on both sliding jaws. For example, I will show the PPT. When you want measuring the job, you have to see that this is the immediate step you have to follow. Open the jaws on the caliper and position the object in the both the sides. Both the sides. Next, push the jaws firmly just against the workpiece. Gently you have to bring the jaws and touch the workpiece. Next, you have to lock the clamping screw so that the jaws don't move. Make your reading. Make this reading. Make the reading. Like that you have to gently you have to follow. If you are not handle the vernier caliper, you can get the error also. Error. There are three types of error. There are two types of error. One is positive error, negative error. Another we can say the zero error. What is meant by zero error? The main scale division 0, main scale vernier scale division which is in the same line. That means you can say the no error. This means no error. If the lines are like this, no error. Now you look at this in this diagram. This is the positive error. Positive error means when we fixed the mobile size close the joint together, but vernier scale 0 after this it is not coincide with the main scale division. 0 line which is not coincide with the main scale division. So there will be error on that. It's a positive error. Positive error means then how much of positive error, then which line of vernier scale division which is coincident with the main scale division. Just you have to see that. In that you have to calculate the least count is, you have to calculate the least count. That is the least count difference is 0.1 mm. That is a 0.3 is the positive error. If there is any vernier caliper positive error, how you can correct it? You have to take the measurement from this. Before that, you have to find out the how much error. After taking the measurement, how much error from that original value you have to minus. That is the actual reading of value, reading of job. If it is a negative error, before that you have to see the how much error in the negative error. You have to find the negative error lines are like the when we lines are like this. Then how much of negative error you have to find that. Why the negative error accuracy? Due to the continuous usage of fixed as more conducting area, that there is a burn out. There is a chances that there is a negative error. Now if you the vernier scale 0, it is before the main scale division, that is the negative error. Look at this negative error.